This instructional video will teach you how to install a bulkhead fitting into a plastic drum. You will need a 1 1/4 inch paddle bit with electric drill, a crescent wrench adjusted to fit the plastic outside nut, and of course the 4-part bulkhead fitting. Set your barrel upright, remove the locking ring, and remove the top. Lay the barrel on its side. With the drill and paddle bit, drill the hole very carefully through the barrel. Take a dull knife and thoroughly clean the inside of the hole of all excess material. Set the barrel right side up. Get the long threaded end of the bulkhead fitting and place a gasket on it. Place the threaded end inside to out on the barrel hole, pushing it through firmly. Take the barrel and lay it on its side, with the threaded end of the bulkhead fitting sitting up. Place the other gasket onto the threaded side. Get the square nut, tighten it down on the bulkhead fitting. An easy trick to help tighten down is to place your finger inside the bulkhead fitting and turn. Get a crescent wrench, tighten the nut till it's snug. Do not over tighten, you will break it. Your bulkhead fitting is now installed.